Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to sign up demo account on MetaTrader 5. It is a very simple step. At this home page, at the bottom right, you can see the settings icon. You need to tap over there. And at the first, you can see the option new account. You need to simply tap over there. And here you can find all of your accounts. Now, in order to add new, you need to tap on the search bar at the top and enter the company or your server name. Now you can choose any one according to your preference. For this video, I will go for this one. And there at the first, you can see the option demo account. You need to tap on it. And this kind of interface will appear. Here you need to fill down your informations, that is personal and your account. After you are done, you need to simply toggle up this accept button and simply tap on register. And now you can see that your demo account has been created. Now you can simply tap on start. And this is how easily you can sign up demo account on MetaTrader 5. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.